Is there a free trial for NinjaTrader? Is there a free trial for NinjaTrader? Somebody asked that question on a previous video. Unfortunately, there is no free trial for the NinjaTrader platform, so you actually have to pay for it if you are going to be using it. So I'm just on the app here on my phone. If you want to just scroll through, you will see they actually address this. They actually have several options that you can subscribe for. One is a small, which is about $59 per month, and there's another one that is about $89 per month, and there's another one about $119 a month, and there is a $200 per month subscription. So they also actually address that question here. Do you offer a free trial? They say their servers are actually specialized, so they actually don't have a free trial at the moment, but they are willing to work with people on a case-by-case basis. So hopefully that answers that question. Does NinjaTrader have a free trial? No, they do not. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.